Aircraft operate in harsh environments that can take their toll on its structure in the form of corrosion. Whether caused by things like runway de-ice fluid or exposure to natural elements, corrosion is a serious risk to the life of your aircraft. We recommend to strictly follow Cessna Aircraft Company's guidelines for proper cleaning and maintenance of your aircraft. However, some additional measures can be taken to help prevent corrosion from forming in trouble areas. One method of corrosion prevention is the application of Cor-Band 23 or 35 from Zip Chem. In this short video, we will show the procedure to clean, mask, and apply Cor-Band to your aircraft. The first and possibly most important step is to clean the surface you intend to coat with Cor-Band. Make sure to read all warning labels and use proper personal protective equipment when cleaning and applying Cor-Band. Acceptable items to use for cleaning the structure are isopropyl alcohol, dishwashing liquid, extreme simple green, and water. Please use caution when using chemicals to clean the structure and ensure they are intended for aircraft use. Regular simple green cannot be used to clean aircraft structure. You're allowed to use a mildly abrasive pad, brush, or sponge when cleaning the area. A soft compound Scotch-Brite pad can also be used. Ensure all film, dirt, and contaminants are removed from the surface receiving the Cor-Band treatment. Spray the area with clean water until all chemicals and contaminants have been removed. Allow plenty of time for the area to dry thoroughly. The next step is to mask off portions of the aircraft that you do not want Cor-Band on. This might include plumbing fittings, wire bundle assemblies, or components such as actuators or oleos. Once the masking procedure is complete, perform a final check to ensure that only the areas intended to receive Cor-Band are still exposed. There are multiple methods for applying Cor-Band 23 and 35 to your aircraft. The method in this video is using forced air to supply the 1.5 to 2 mil thick wet coat of Cor-Band. Zip Chem also offers Cor-Band 23 and 35 in aerosol cans that can be used to apply the coating. You may need to adjust spraying techniques as you apply the Cor-Band to ensure it is receiving an even coat and will not pool or collect excessively. After an even 1.5 to 2 mil coat of Cor-Band has been applied, allow a minimum of 1 hour to pass to allow the Cor-Band to dry completely. After the Cor-Band has dried, the aircraft can now be unmasked and ready for service. Cor-Band is typically effective for 2 years, but may require reapplication in localized areas pending the condition of the Cor-Band. If solvents or hydraulic fluids come into contact with the Cor-Band areas, it is recommended to inspect and reapply at those locations.